Ashley here, and I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite products to use during a renovation, and that is Great Stuff Insulating Foam Sealant. Now, most of you know I have been working on this new lake house renovation that I just purchased 6 months ago, and I have been working hard to get it together. So today I'm going to be sharing how this product has been helping me along the way. Now, for those who've never heard of Great Stuff, it is an insulating foam sealant that can help make your home more comfortable and energy efficient by sealing the gaps and cracks where air-conditioned and heated air might escape. Now, the average US home has a half a mile of gaps and cracks, which can let in bugs, pests, water, and allergens, and we don't need that in our homes. So, as the industry-leading foam sealant, Great Stuff helps safeguard the home, ensuring that they are properly insulated and air sealed. So if you are a DIYer like me, or a pro, because I like to consider myself a pro as well, this is perfect for you if you're wanting to seal all of those gaps and cracks in your home. Now let's get into the new Smart Dispenser, because if you're like me, you might have used Great Stuff in the past and they had a different dispenser, but this new Smart Dispenser allows you to use the can for up to 30 days. Now, another fun thing about this dispenser is that there is no dripping. The foam stops as you stop, and as the trigger is released, the foam ceases to dispense. There's increased precision with more control and less mess. Now, this Great Stuff Smart Dispenser was the first on the market, so you heard it here. Great Stuff is doing it first. So a few weeks ago, I shared a little bit about Great Stuff on my Instagram page, and I got a few questions. So I'm just going to run through those to kind of give you a better idea of what exactly this stuff can do. So, can the foam be cut once dry? Yes, it can. So some of you may have seen me using this foam and may have thought, well, I don't want to use the foam if it's going to leave all the excess behind. But you are able to cut the foam once it is completely dry. Can you paint Great Stuff after it is sprayed? Answer is yes. You can paint the Great Stuff foam sealant after it is dry to match whatever you may be spraying on, whether that be a door or a wall or something like that. You can paint it with the color of the door or whatever it is you're using. Now, I mentioned this in the video already, but this can is reusable up to 30 days with the new Smart Dispenser. So if you use it one day and you have maybe another use for it the next week, then you're in luck because it will work for you. Alright guys, that wraps it up for my Great Stuff informational video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And for more projects and tutorials, check out handmade-haven.com. Alright y'all, later.